The Crossing. In a vast, shimmering expanse of stars, where colors danced in the night sky like ribbons of light, there lay two worlds, one where time flowed like a gentle river, and another where it raced like a wild stallion. On a quiet night, a young woman named Alara stood at the edge of a mysterious forest, enchanted by the glowing portal that flickered between the two realms. She had always felt a tugging at her heart, a whisper telling her that something extraordinary awaited her beyond the veil. With a deep breath, she stepped through the portal. Instantly, she was enveloped in warmth and brilliance. The air tasted different here, sweet like honey, yet electric with possibility. She gazed around in awe. The trees were taller, their leaves sparkling with every color of the rainbow, while the ground shimmered like the surface of a lake at dawn. "Welcome, traveler," a voice echoed through the grove. It was a figure cloaked in silver light, their eyes reflecting the cosmos. "You have crossed into the realm of dreams, a parallel world where your desires shape reality." Elara's heart raced. In this world, she could be anything she imagined. She could conquer mountains, sail the skies, or even dance with the stars. But as she explored, she realized that every joy had a shadow. The vibrant colors of this world sometimes masked its sorrows. Days turned into weeks as Alara experienced the wonders of this new realm. Yet, she began to feel a longing for her own world, the familiar sounds of laughter, the scent of rain, and the simple warmth of home. One starry night, she returned to the portal, her heart heavy yet hopeful. "Can I take this magic with me?" she asked the figure. "Magic lies not in the world you cross to," they replied gently, "but within you. Every choice, every thought, a reflection of your own dreams." With newfound understanding, Alara stepped back into her world, the portal flickering closed behind her. Though the colors dimmed, her heart was alight with possibilities. Now, every moment held the potential for magic, and she carried the parallel world within her. In the stillness of her room, she smiled, knowing that dreams are always within reach, waiting to be awakened.